Hello students, welcome to Sonu's Learning World. We are discussing miscellaneous exercise of chapter 3, that is matrix chapter of class 12. So let's read the third question. If A is equal to 3 minus 4, 1 minus 1, then prove that A raised to n is equal to 1 plus 2n minus 4n, n 1 minus 2n, where n is any positive integer. Same type question students like question number 1 and 2. Okay. So what is our first step students? Step 1 to prove at n is equal to 1. Okay. We are going to prove at n is equal to 1. Okay. So let us find for n is equal to 1. Here instead of n we are substituting 1. So, a raised to 1 is equal to 1 plus 2 into 1 minus 4 into 1, 1 minus 2 into 1. Okay. So, next our answer is 1 plus 2, that is 3, minus 4, 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. So, A is equal to this one. A means this matrix 3 minus 4, 1 minus 1. So, both LHS and RHS is equal to same. So, therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, what we can say at n is equal to 1, this particular statement is true. Therefore, P of k is true for n is equal to 1. Okay, students? Oh, sorry, it is n. P of n is true for n is equal to 1. Okay. So, next is we are assuming in step 2 we are assuming at n is equal to k, P of k is true. Okay. That is our step 2. So, step 2. Okay. We are assuming, assume for n is equal to k, P of k is true. Okay, students. So, what is our P of k? P of k, that is ai plus, okay. So, sorry students, P of k is, so here instead of n we can substitute k. Okay. So, a raised to k. P of k means a raised to k, that is equal to, instead of n we can substitute k. So, a raised to k is equal to 1 plus 2k minus 4k, k and 1 minus 2k. Okay, that's it. So, we are assuming this particular statement is true, that is for n is equal to k, P of k is true. So, what is the next step? We are proving. Okay, so to prove step 3, to prove P of k plus 1 is true. Okay, so we are going to prove that P of k plus 1 is true. Okay, what is P of k plus 1 students? P of k plus 1 means a raised to k plus 1, that is equal to 1 plus 2 into, instead of k we are substituting k plus 1. So, 2 into k plus 1 minus 4 into k plus 1. So, here k plus 1, 1 minus 2 into k plus 1. Okay, let us solve this. Let us multiply this everything inside. So, 1 plus here 2k plus 2. Here it is minus 4k minus 4. Okay. So, here it is k plus 1 only. Here it is 1 minus 2k minus 2. Okay. We have still something to solve here. So, let us solve everything. So, here it is 1 plus, oh, so 2 plus 1 is 3. So, here I can write 3 plus 2k. Okay. Here it is minus 4k minus 4 only. Here it is k plus 1. Here it is 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. So, minus 2k minus 1. Okay, students. So, we have to prove this one, that is a raised to k plus 1. So what is our next step? We are taking this LHS and we are splitting it. Okay. So here how can we split LHS? LHS is equal to LHS. A raised to k plus 1 can be written as a raised to k into a raised to 1. Okay students. So what is a raised to k? We already solved for a raised to k. This is our a raised to k, and what is our a raised to 1? A raised to 1 means our a only. That is, this is our a. Okay. So let us substitute the values here. Okay. So a raised to k is equal to 1 plus 2k. Okay, 1 plus 2k minus 4k, k 1 minus 2k. Okay students, into our a is 3 minus 4, 1 minus 1. So what is the next step? We have to multiply these two matrices. Next is we have to multiply. I am taking this row and this column. Let me multiply these two matrices. Okay students. So that is equal to 1 plus 2k into 3. Okay. So 1 plus 2k into 3 minus 4k into 1. Okay, that is my first element. Same row, second column. 1 plus 2k into minus 4 and minus 4k into minus 1. Okay. Next is k into, okay, then next I am taking this particular row and this column. So k into 3 plus 1 minus 2k into 1. Okay. So next is k into minus 4 plus 1 minus 2k into minus 1. So let me solve this. Okay. So here I have to multiply this 3 to the inside of the bracket. So it will become 3 plus 6k minus 4k. Okay, here minus 4, this is into, okay students. So minus 4 into 1, minus 4 minus 4 2s are 8k plus 4k. Okay, here 3k plus 1 minus 2k. Here minus 4k. Here it is multiplication into, that is minus 4k minus 1 plus 2k. That's it. Okay. So next is, let me simplify this. Okay. So first one is 3 plus 2k. Okay. And here 8k minus 4 is same. So here it is minus 4k. Okay. So here 3 minus 2, 1, that is k plus 1. So next is minus 2k minus 1. Okay, this is our final answer. Let us try to compare this with the RHS. Okay, so what is our RHS? So we have to prove, okay, okay, this is our RHS. So let us compare this. So the first element is 3 plus 2k. So we got 3 plus 2k. Next is minus 4 minus 4k, k plus 1, 2k minus. Okay. So we got the RHS. Okay. Both are same. Okay. So that is equal to RHS. Hence, what we can say, P of k plus 1 is true. P of k plus 1 is true. Hence, proved. Okay. So next question students, fourth question. If A and B are symmetric matrices, prove that AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix. So that is our question. So what is given in the question? So let us write what all things are given in the question. Okay. So the first thing is A and B are symmetric matrices. Symmetric matrices means A transpose is equal to A and B is also a symmetric matrix. So B transpose is equal to B. Okay. These two are given in the question. Okay, so what we have to prove, AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, skew symmetric matrix. What is skew symmetric matrix? AB minus BA. If I take the transpose of this particular matrix, I have to get minus of AB minus BA. Okay, that is skew symmetric matrix. What is skew symmetric matrix, students? That is, if for example, if A is a skew symmetric matrix, A transpose is equal to minus A. Okay, same like that, if AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix, if we take the transpose of this, we get minus of AB minus BA. That's it. That is the thing which we have written here. So we have to prove this one. Okay, so students, so we are taking the LHS. Our LHS is AB minus BA the whole transpose. Okay, students. So here I am going to give separate transpose. I am going to split this term. So AB I am giving separate transpose. So here I am giving the transpose, minus BA also I am giving the separate transpose. Okay, students. How I can give like this? Students, we have to note A plus B the whole transpose. Okay, so A plus B the whole transpose can be written as A transpose plus B transpose. A minus B the whole transpose can be written as A transpose minus B transpose. So here also we can write like this. Here it is AB minus BA the whole transpose means AB transpose minus BA transpose. Okay, that's how we have written like this. Okay, so same like that, there is one more property, AB the whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Okay, so these are some of the properties which we have to use in this particular question. Okay, students, so here AB the whole transpose. What is AB the whole transpose? AB the whole transpose is B transpose A transpose. So here I can write B transpose into A transpose. We can either represent transpose the like B raised to T, or we can just put a dash. Okay, both are correct. This is also transpose, this is also transpose. Okay, so minus, here what we can write here, A will come first. No? A transpose into B transpose. Okay, students. So from the equation number 1 and 2, okay, instead of B transpose, we can write B, because B transpose is equal to B. It is given in the question. So B and A transpose is A. So we can write BA, minus here also we can write A transpose is A and B transpose is B. So that is equal to BA minus A B. Okay, so from here I am going to take minus common. So what is here? So if I am taking minus common, okay, let me write in order itself, otherwise it will create confusions in you. So I am taking minus. So what is remaining here? Minus BA is here. Okay, plus AB. Okay, so this can be written as minus of AB minus BA. I just arranged these two terms. Okay, so I wrote AB first here and next minus B I wrote as second. So this is equal to our RHS, hence proved. Okay, so this is equal to RHS, hence, therefore hence proved. Easy question. Okay, so students, if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.